Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix any connection issues you are having, like your PS4 is not connecting to the Wi-Fi and you have the sign in to PlayStation Network error. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to go to settings, we're going to go to network. From network we're going to go to set up internet connection, and then we're going to go to use Wi-Fi. If you have a LAN cable, use that instead, but I'm using Wi-Fi. Go to custom. Go to the Wi-Fi you are currently using, and then from here what you are going to do is just wait for it to load. Okay, we're going to click on automatic, do not specify, manual, and then these are the DNS settings you guys are going to copy: 8.8.8.8 and then 8.8.4.4. Once you have those copied down, go ahead and click next. And then for MTU settings, automatic, proxy server do not use, and your internet settings should be updated. Now you can go ahead and click test internet connection to see like everything is going good. And the final thing you guys can do is you're going to update your system software. So go to settings again, go all the way down to system software update, and then go ahead and update your system software. Now once you do this, you guys should be good to go, and that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.